Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the skincare as well as hair care tips because Holi is around the corner and this is a festival full of colors, fun, dance and lots of food and lots of drinks. As much as we love to have fun during this day, it's a very rough day for our skin as well as our hair, and that's why I'm going to be sharing some of the tips with you guys so that you can take a good care of your hair as well as your skin. So all the tips that I'm going to be sharing are in two parts, pre-Holi and post-Holi. So I'm going to be sharing some of the tips that you can get ready before you play with Holi, and some of the tips are after Holi to get rid of that stubborn color and make your skin feel happy and hydrated and glowing. So if you guys are interested, then please continue watching, but before that make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before I start sharing my tips, one thing that I would love to promote is that make sure you play with organic colors and stay away from those harsh chemical colors because they are at the end gonna ruin your skin. So make sure you play with organic colors. So now let's start with our pre-Holi skincare tips. So first step would be cleansing your skin, and उसके लिए आपको बहुत mild face wash चाहिए, कुछ harsh या scrub use करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because you're just prepping your skin and you just need a clean surface. तो उसके लिए I would love to recommend simple refreshing facial wash. This is very mild and अगर आपके पास कोई और mild face wash है, आप obviously उसको भी use कर सकते हो, और generally आप just water splash करके अपना face cleanse कर सकते हो. It's that simple. And उसके बाद आपको moisturize करना है because that's really important. Don't let your skin feel dehydrated. So hydration important है. You can use your favorite moisturizer, just layer it up on your skin and you are good to go. And one moisturizer that I would love to recommend would be Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, जो कि बहुत ही hydrating है and इसका 72 hour तक का hydration level है. So it's definitely gonna keep your skin hydrated all day long. So right after moisturizing your skin, another very important step is applying a sunscreen. Do not miss this step at any cost, guys, because there will be a lot of sun exposure which is going to harm your skin if you miss to apply sunscreen. It is the utmost important skincare step and it is really important that you apply a good sunscreen which is also water resistant because आप होली खेलोगे तो कलर्स के साथ थोड़ा water splash भी होगा, and for that you need something to stay put and do not budge. And one sunscreen that I would love to recommend would be Neutrogena Ultra Sheet Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 plus, and this is water resistant, so it will take a good care of your skin and also will protect it from sun rays. तो skin के साथ साथ आपको अपनी body को भी protect करना है sun rays से. You can definitely apply a good sunscreen spray, and the one that I would love to recommend is Nivea sunscreen spray. ये आपकी body को protect करेगा and again it's water resistant. So right after applying the sunscreen, another important step would be applying a oil on your skin, your body and your hair as well, because it sort of acts as a barrier between the color and your skin. So बहुत ज़्यादा slippery surface create कर देता है oil आपके skin पे, आपकी body पे, so that the color doesn't leave stain on your body because it becomes very easy to sort of get rid of that color from your body. So make sure you apply a good amount of oil on your body, your face and hair. So face के लिए I would love to recommend bio oil because hydrating है and इसकी बहुत अच्छी properties हैं, plus it's gonna keep your skin protected from those stubborn color stains. And for body आप बायो ऑयल भी लगा सकते हो, बट द ऑयल दैट आई लव टू अप्लाई इज़ द जॉनसन्स बेबी ऑयल. काफ़ी स्लिपरी है एंड आपकी स्किन पे कोई भी कलर स्टेन नहीं रहता है, सो यू कैन यूज़ जॉनसन्स बेबी ऑयल एज वेल. एंड फॉर हेयर ऑयल नथिंग बीट्स कोकोनट ऑयल, सो आई लव अप्लाइंग पैराशूट कोकोनट ऑयल. एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल अपने बालों में लगा के जाती हूँ सो दैट इट लुक्स वेरी स्लिपरी, और अगर आपके बालों में कोई कलर भी डाल दे तो it doesn't damages your hair. So after applying a good amount of hair oil, make sure that you make bun or just go with tight hair braids so that it keeps your hair protected, and try to avoid keeping your hair open because इससे hair damage हो सकते हैं और hair breakage भी बहुत ज़्यादा promote हो सकता है. So after applying good amount of oil on your face, on your body and on your hair, another product that I would love to recommend is to use a Vaseline jelly. You can use it with a Q-tip around your ear area and around your fingers, your nails, because उससे वो स्लिपरी सरफेस बनेगा एंड इट विल नॉट लेट दैट कलर पुट द स्टेन ऑन योर ear and your nails. So you can always use that. And also to protect your nails, make sure that you apply nail paint. So आप कोई भी shade use कर सकते हैं. अगर dark में comfortable है, you can go with the dark nail paint. But make sure whatever color you are picking, you apply 2 to 3 layers of coating of that nail paint so that it protects your nails from getting stained. And the last tip that I would love to give is that do not miss wearing sunglasses, because जितना important अपनी body और skin का ध्यान रखना है, उतना important अपनी eyes का ध्यान रखना भी है. एंड सन रेज से एंड कलर्स से आपकी आईज भी हार्म हो सकती है. सो मेक श्योर यू आर वेयरिंग अ गुड सन ग्लासेस एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. You are ready to play and have blast on Holi. So guys, these were my pre-Holi skincare and hair care tips. So now let's move towards post-Holi skincare and hair care tips. So first thing first, सबसे important step होगा आपको easily अपने जो भी कलर स्टेन्स हैं उनको रिमूव करना. एट द सेम टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी स्किन पे हार्श ना होना, सो दैट इट डजन गेट ड्राई पैची और उस पर ब्रूसेस ना पड़े. सो सबसे पहला स्टेप होगा अपनी स्किन को एक मेकअप रिमूवर टिश्यू आप ले सकते हो या कॉटन पैड पे एक मेकअप रिमूवर यूज़ कर सकते हो जो बहुत जेंटल हो, जस्ट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ remove all the gunk and all sort of staining from your face. And this is the step that I actually follow and it sort of works for me. And the makeup remover that I would love to recommend is the Bioderma, because ये बहुत gentle है and waterproof और जो भी stains है सब निकालने में बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है. And after using this you need to use a good facial wash, and this time you need to use a good face wash which sort of deeply cleanse your skin. Face wash that I would love to recommend is the Face Shop Jeju Volcanic Lava Face Foam. ये बहुत ही deeply cleanse करता है and at the same time skin पे harsh भी नहीं है. So after you have deeply cleansed your face, you need to exfoliate your skin, because to get rid of each and every single stain from your skin you need to exfoliate it. But at the same time make sure whatever the products you are using, they are very gentle on your skin. So the exfoliator that I would love to recommend is again from the Face Shop. It's the Jeju Volcanic Lava Face Scrub. Face को exfoliate करने के साथ साथ body को exfoliate करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, because उस टाइम आपको बहुत tanning हो सकती है and आपको बहुत ज़्यादा color pigments भी होंगे आपके body पे. And for that you can use any tan removal scrub, and the one that I would love to recommend is Biotique Tan Removal Papaya Scrub. So after you have deeply cleansed your skin and exfoliated it, you can apply a good face mask, और आप कोई भी detoxifying clay mask यूज़ कर सकते हो जो कि बहुत काम और सूदिंग हो आपकी स्किन के लिए एंड एट द सेम टाइम आपको स्किन को क्लेंस भी करे. एंड फॉर द क्ले मास्क आई वुड लव टू recommend 2 clay masks. L'Oreal clay mask which helps in sort of detoxifying your skin, and if you are someone with acne prone skin, Plum का green tea clear face mask भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो कि बहुत सूदिंग और बहुत कामिंग है and it sort of heals your acne problems. फेस मास्क अप्लाई करके 15 मिनट्स बाद you just need to rinse your face and आपका क्लेंजिंग प्रोसेस ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो गया है. एंड नाउ द मेन टास्क बिगिंस टू सॉर्ट ऑफ हाइड्रेट एंड काम डाउन योर स्किन. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वुड लव टू रिकमेंड इज अप्लाइंग और स्प्रिट्जिंग सम रोज वाटर, बिकॉज रोज वाटर बहुत कामिंग होता है, बहुत सूदिंग होता है स्किन के लिए एंड हाइड्रेटिंग भी होता है एट द सेम टाइम. कोई भी रोज वाटर यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड द वन दैट आई वुड लव टू रिकमेंड इज फ्रॉम कामा Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. So actually you can pick any rose water of your choice and just spray it on your face for that soothness and calmness on your skin. And आप रोज़ वाटर के बाद अपनी स्किन पे एलोवेरा जेल भी लगा सकते हो, बिकॉज एलोवेरा जेल बहुत कामिंग होता है और बहुत सूदिंग होता है. सो द वन दैट आई वुड लव टू रिकमेंड इज द फेस शॉप जेजू एलो fresh soothing gel. So now that you have applied aloe vera gel and your skin feels very calm and very soothing, the next step would be applying a face sheet mask, because face sheet mask बहुत hydrating होते हैं और इसमें serum filled होता है काफ़ी, तो आपकी skin को ये calm down करता है, cool down करता है और hydrate भी करता है at the same time. And you can just go with your favorite face sheet mask. And now the last step for your post Holi skincare would be to apply a good moisturizer. I mean, you can just use your favorite moisturizer and that's all about it. And the one that I would love to recommend is the Face Shop Chia Seed Advanced Hydro Cream. It's very hydrating and I absolutely love using it. So now coming to our hair care. So after you have thoroughly cleansed your hair with a good shampoo, make sure आप hair mask लगाएं and उसको 5 to 10 minutes अपने hair पे लगा के रखें. And थोड़ा उसको हॉट टाल स्पा भी आप दे सकते हैं, एंड इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ rejuvenate your hair and at the same time treat your damaged hair. The one that I would love to recommend, it's from L'Oreal Professional CD Expert Gold Quinoa Plus Protein Absolute Repair Hair Mask, and this is my favorite hair mask. I have done a detailed review on this. You can definitely find the link of the video in description box below or up somewhere here. And after applying a hair mask, you need to apply a good hair serum to sort of make your hair hydrated or sort of nourishes them. So hair serum भी बहुत important है, and the hair serum that I would love to recommend is again from L'Oreal Professional CD Expert range. You can use this hair serum and this is very hydrating and बहुत ही nourishing है आपके hair के लिए. You can use that hair serum on your damp hair and just leave your hair, let them air dry. Do not use any hair dryer or any heat styling equipment. Let your hair breathe. So guys, that's all about it. These are my pre and post Holi skincare and hair care tips. I hope these are helpful. You can definitely share it with your friends and family, and have a safe and great Holi. I will love to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.